Hey there! Want your home to smell amazing without the chemicals? Let's make a homemade air freshener that's simple and effective. All you need is water, a little vodka or rubbing alcohol, and your favorite essential oils. It's that easy. Start by filling a spray bottle with water, then add a tablespoon of vodka or rubbing alcohol. This helps the oils mix better and makes the scent last longer. Next, add about 15 to 20 drops of essential oils. You can use lavender for relaxation, citrus for a fresh vibe, or peppermint for an energizing scent. Give it a shake, and you've got yourself a natural air freshener that will leave your home smelling great. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Happy cleaning!